Mr. Java from China.
I'm Java.
We are traveling this time in Indian Railway.
Yes.
I will ask him how he feels. What is his
Okay.
experience about this?
Alright.
Okay. Yes, you can.
So yeah, this is my first time traveling in India. Also first time in India. And especially I wanted to experience the train traveling here in India. It feels good because the room, the space is so good for us. And yeah, I have been here for almost 4 days. I love the food here, especially the basmati food.
Yeah, basmati rice. Yeah. The
And
different flavors of basmati rice. We
yes,
enjoyed a lot.
I enjoyed a lot
Yeah.
of so many different, like more than 4 or 5 different flavors of basmati. It was so good. I will miss this rice for a long time because after I get back to China, I don't have any chance to eat it.